Let's talk about the non-medical use of prescription amphetamines. While many people think prescription amphetamines are safe compared to other amphetamines like speed or meth, the fact is prescription amphetamine use is only safe for those who have neurological conditions such as ADHD. Recent studies show a number of Australian high school students illegally using prescription amphetamines is at about 2%, and the amount of university students about 2.5%. While this seems low compared to other parts of the world, often trends in Australia follow those of the USA and Europe, making this a real area of concern. Amphetamines are a dopamine and norepinephrine agonist. Dopamine systems form part of our movement, motivation, and how we process rewards. Norepinephrine increases arousal and vigilance and impacts our mood. An agonist means that amphetamines increase the production of dopamine and norepinephrine here, increase the release of these neurochemicals from these vesicles into the extracellular fluid here, and stop the breakdown of both those neurochemicals by blocking reuptake here. Therefore, these receptors are continuously being stimulated because this synaptic gap is flooded with dopamine and norepinephrine. While there is some evidence the non-medical use of prescription amphetamines can improve short-term memory recall, many studies have found no memory benefits or even adverse effects because amphetamines disrupt the sleep cycle. As sleep is integral to the conversion of short-term memory to long-term memory, the misuse of prescription amphetamines actually makes your memory worse. What's more, there are numerous long-term effects, including dependence, which can lead to addiction or overdose, heart disorders or failures, psychological disorders, and neurological disorders. So while you might have friends who need prescription amphetamines because their brains don't produce enough dopamine and norepinephrine, leave them to it because damage of misusing prescription amphetamines far outweighs the perceived benefits.